Do you want a younger, smoother, and healthy looking skin without spending too much on cosmetic products? Then start taking 1 glass of carrot juice first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Welcome to Clarion's kitchen. Let me show you how I make this skin glow juice. Start by peeling off the back of the carrot. Wash it with salt and water. I pour in the cut carrots into the blender. Add water and blend. Aside the sweetness, carrot has antioxidant and high dose of vitamin C that promotes collagen production that keeps the body healthy in and out. It is also good for the eyes. It boosts immune system and enhances brain function. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you on my next video. Bye.